What up guys, Miguel here of Tech, and here we have the HP Envy Move 23.8-inch. It's a all-in-one portable desktop computer by HP, and it also has a hefty price tag, just like the HP Spectre Fold 17. So without further ado, let's check it out. In the realm of innovative computing, HP has once again pushed the boundaries with the introduction of the HP Envy Move all-in-one PC. This movable, multi-purpose hybrid solution is tailored to meet the diverse needs of your family while seamlessly blending into the modern home. The Envy Move transforms home entertainment, offering a premium viewing experience with its 23.8-inch Quad HD Touch IPS display, coupled with rich audio from the Bang & Olufsen tuned dual 5-watt speakers. The brains behind this operation is the 13th gen Intel Core i5-1335U, capable of up to 4.6 GHz with Intel Turbo Boost technology. No dedicated GPU in this dynamic all-in-one, so we do get Intel's integrated UHD graphics. Out of the box, owners will get 16 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, and 512 gigs of storage from the NVMe SSD. The Envy Move features a back pocket to hold the included keyboard with trackpad for easy storing and portability. To further push its portability concept, at less than 10 pounds, it even gets a built-in handle, and you can easily set it down on any flat surface with its cool kickstand feet, making this all-in-one PC ready to move with you anywhere in your home. The built-in battery is rated for 4 hours of runtime, but that may vary depending on your use case, and it comes with a 90-watt smart AC adapter. For I/O, we get one USB Type-A, one USB Type-C, which doubles as a display port, with both USB ports capable of up to 10 gigabit per second signaling rates. We also get HDMI 1.4 here. It even features a 5-megapixel infrared camera with a privacy shutter, so yes, it even has Windows Hello support, which I guess should kinda be standard now, especially if you're forking out this much money. The HP Envy Move even gets AI-based wellness features just like the Spectre 17 Fold. Overall, the build of the Envy Move is a visual delight. Its commitment to sustainability is evident in its use of recycled materials, further enhancing its appeal to the environmentally conscious consumer. The HP Move 23.8-inch all-in-one PC isn't just a computing device. It's a lifestyle companion that adapts to your needs, embraces your privacy, and enhances your well-being. At the time of this recording, there hasn't been any official reports or plans to launch this 23.8-inch all-in-one PC in our shores locally. But for those of you interested, it launched in Sydney with an official SRP of 1,999 Australian dollars, which roughly converts to around 70,000 pesos. And there you have it. This was the HP Envy Move 23.8 all-in-one portable desktop computer. What do you guys think of this all-in-one computer? Let us know in the comment section below. But if you enjoyed this video or found it informative, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit that bell icon so you get notified of our future uploads. Be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this has been Miguel, and I'll see ya in the next one. Bye!